Hello everyone, welcome back. After a long time, we are back with one beautiful number theory problem, which is from Bulgarian Math Olympiad 1997. Here we have to solve this equation with positive integer, and how many solutions are there we have to inspect. So if you want to try, pause the video, give it a try. Otherwise, keep watching. Let's start. So what we are going to do here, first of all, let's multiply to both sides. Let's try to factorize it. So it becomes this, and then let's try to complete the square by adding plus 2xy and minus 2xy. So I'll do that, plus 2xy and minus 2xy. So it balances ultimately 2 into 1997 x minus y. Now if I complete the square, it gives me, now do you notice here we have a square minus 2ab, only thing to add b square, then we can complete the square for this whole term. So let's add 1997 whole square, 1997, okay, and then just simplify, and quickly we get, or a bit simplification gives us, okay. So finally this is our final result, and I hope you can see this. If you notice where this is a square plus this is another square gives another square, which is nothing but Pythagoras theorem. And so this reduces our equation. Let's say this whole term is a and this whole term is b. So our new equation now becomes a square plus b square is equals to 1997 square. In order to solve this, what we can do here, because both x and y are positive, let's say we know that if a square plus b square is equal to c square, then we have one formula which is, it means I can say that if I compare this with my equation, I can say that 2mn is maybe x plus y, and m square minus n square is 1997 minus x plus y, and m square plus n square is 1997. Or I can have opposite to 2mn can be. So let's solve this equation. So this is same in both case, and solving this equation in positive integers gives me, suppose m is greater than n, then m is 34 and n is 29. Hence 2mn becomes, 2mn is now 1972, and m square minus n square is 315. Let's use this in our equation and hope to find some positive solution here. So it means this can be, as I said, 1972, and this can be 315, or this can be 315 and this can be 1972. Let's solve it. 1997 minus x plus y, both can have different values, so 1972, then this is 315, and if this is 315, then this is 1972. And if I solve this is linear equation in two variable, and if I solve it, what I get is x can be 1827 and y is 145, and x can be 170 and y is same as 145. This gives me two solutions, and these are the only solution to our original equation. So these are the two only solutions to this equation in positive integers. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Have a nice day.